This is the RobotTEac Steeper. The way the system works is through user input in the Raspberry Pi and automation. When the system is ready, the user will select a type of tea on the touchscreen. The selected tea rotates into position, and the user is prompted to select strength of tea on the touchscreen. The base plate of the dispenser is rotated into position, and the tea is dispensed into the awaiting diffuser. The diffuser is then pulled through the self-closing slide and reeled down into the awaiting mug of hot water. Once the diffuser is deposited into the mug, a countdown starts and the tea is steeped with the assistance of motor actuation until the countdown is completed. Once the countdown is finished, the diffuser is lifted out of the mug and the tea is brewed.